Hola amigos, Antonio Zea reporting live from Honduras, 2009, 10-9 today. We are coming down the mountain when we come. Everybody getting ready to go take pictures of the waterfall. Pretty awesome. Lane says he will possibly ride down on his rear end on this. Is that a possibility, Lane?
Possibly, let's see.
And he's continuing. Oh! Very careful. But it is absolutely gorgeous out here, surrounded by mountains beyond mountains.
Wow.
What do you have to say about this, Mr. Colin?
It's pretty cool. Actually really cool. Can we bring the cooler down here?